Sorry. Sorry. Hello. It's a pleasure to meet you. Would you care for something to eat?
No, I'm not in the habit of taking food from strangers.
I need to pay a visit to the men's room. Could I trouble you to kindly watch my suitcase during my absence?
Of course.
Inquire after the time, please?
Certainly.
Sandwiches for us. Yeah. Guess what? I took a ham.
Ham?
Yeah, ham.
Who will eat ham?
Who will eat ham?
I said cheese.
My pocket watch has been stolen. Have you noticed anyone suspicious?
I think I saw a fellow wearing a black jacket.
No, not actually. It was a brown jacket.
Oh no, I'm not talking about that shirt. My fellow wear a hat.
Huh? I'm quite certain that we are speaking of the same young man. But I do believe his jacket was brown.
Lies. By the way, what make of watch is it exactly?
It's an old pocket watch given to me by my grandmother.
Yes, I do believe that is the one.
Agreed. Although the jacket was brown.
No, man. It was black.
I think you are blind. It was
No,
brown.
I'm not blind.
Yes,
It was
you are.
black.
You are blind.
Okay, let's leave it. Let's go back to the ham. I took a ham. Come on.
No, we'll eat ham. As
We
a
will eat
sandwiches.
ham.
Sandwiches with
But
ham,
the last
eh?
time I checked, you like ham.
No cheese.